Hi friends, this video shows how to delete or reset Netflix profile lock. Let me open this Netflix TV app, then try to switch to this profile SAM. See, it's asking for the PIN. I need to enter the PIN, then only I can access this profile. I will show you how we can completely delete this lock from the profile. First, we need to install Netflix app in mobile phone. I already installed. Let me open. Then select profile. See, it's asking for the PIN. If you forgot PIN, you can use this forgot PIN option. Okay, so if you want to completely delete this lock from the profile, first you have to enter the PIN here. Then tap on my Netflix icon over here. Then tap on three lines on top right corner. Go to manage profiles. Then select your profile from where you want to delete the lock. Let me select this profile SAM. Then tap on profile lock. Then tap on delete profile lock. Enter your current profile PIN. Tap on yes. Done. See, now I have deleted the lock from profile named Sam. Let me test it. After that, in TV, so we have to restart this Netflix app, or we have to turn off then turn on the TV. Let me open Netflix TV app. Here you can see the profiles. Let me try to switch to profile named Sam. See, it's not asking for the PIN. This way we can delete PIN. Okay, please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.